Self-love is not a one and done. You don't arrive when you love yourself, because you don't even know what's around the corner next month. So you got to choose to love yourself again. The more you know, the more you got to keep choosing to love yourself. Self-love is not a noun. Self-love is not an arrival. Self-love is not a sprint. It's a marathon. It's always going. And you got to watch out, because the smarter you are, the smarter you'll fake yourself into believing you're doing self-love. Hello, somebody. I just stopped by to out you from yourself.
Okay.
Hi, you're welcome. I stopped by to make sure that you're preparing yourself for the long haul. There's a lot of forgiveness that you get to do with you. Like, be as gracious with yourself as you are with us. Oh, I can love other people. Oh no, girl, you okay? Oh no, you all right? But Lisa, I wouldn't let her off the hook. She should know better. Well, if I know better, I would have did better. Amen.